Good morning, students. This is your chapter number 18th, the verb. Firstly, we will read these sentences and identify what is the word which is used as verb. Number one is I feel sorry for him. Second, he goes there daily. She makes her own clothes. These plants flourish in a damp climate. We walked in the rain. In all these sentences, feel, goes, makes, flourish, walk represents an action, and thus such words in sentences which represents action are known as verbs, and thus feel, goes, makes, flourish, and walked are verbs. These verbs say something about the subjects. In any sentence, whatever is the subject, verb represents something about it. For example, in fourth sentence, these plants flourish in a damp climate. Flourish is talked about the plants, the action of plants. Thus, flourish is used as a verb. It says that somebody or something does an action. A verb says कि किसी ने या किसी चीज ने कोई काम किया है. Action. Such a verb is also called action verb. Such it can also be said as action verb. Not only any verbs like feel, goes, makes are called verbs. Words like be, am, I, are, was, were, have. These are also used as verbs as they represent any state or possession. For example, she is a beautiful girl. State of being beautiful. Thus, is used as verb. My aunt has a pet dog. Possession of a pet dog. Has is representing possession. Thus, it is used as a verb. A verb is not always one word. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि verb एक ही word हो. It can be more than one words, 2 words, 3 words. Example: These boys are playing football. Boys football खेल रहे हैं, and the verb here are playing. It has been raining for 2 hours. It has been raining for 2 hours. Has been raining is used as verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. This is definition of verb. Verb किसी word का action, state और possession बताने में use होता है. Next is objects of the verb. Some verbs have objects after them. कई verbs के आगे verbs लगाने के बाद there are some objects. For example, the children eat. Here the sentence is incomplete. Eat acts as a verb, but there is nothing described after this word. This sentence is incomplete. You will definitely want to know what the children eat. The verb eat must be followed by some word to complete sense. Yes, this is a sentence. The children eat, but it is incomplete sentence and does not make a sense. We need some objects after the verb to complete it. For example, the children ate fruit. Now the sentence is complete. We know what the children eat. Thus, verbs need some words to make complete sense. इसीलिए verbs के बाद भी और पहले भी कभी कभी words लगाने पड़ते हैं so that the sentence make a complete sense. और जो words इनके बाद लगाए जाते हैं उनको objects कहते हैं. Here is the definition. Words that are added to the verbs to make complete sense are called objects. उनको हम objects कह देते हैं. Next is kinds of verb. There are 2 kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs वो होते हैं जिनके पीछे हमें object लगाने की ज़रूरत होती है, while intransitive objects वो होते हैं जिनका sentence without object ही complete हो जाता है. For example, here are the examples given of transitive and intransitive verbs. The boy flies his kite. See, the flies is used as verb and his kite are objects. If we only write the boy flies, अगर हम सिर्फ यही लिख देते हैं कि the boy flies, तो इसकी कोई सेंस नहीं बनती. सो वी नीड सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स, और जहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स की ज़रूरत होती है उनको हम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स कह देते हैं. Next is intransitive verbs. The child sleeps, बच्चा सोता है, and the sentence is complete. We don't need to add any objects after the verb sleep. Already it is a complete sense. You can read the definitions from here. The verb which requires an object to complete sense is called transitive verb. The verb which does not require any object because it already makes good sense and complete by itself. Such a verb is called intransitive verb. Here are more examples of these transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Next is verbs of incomplete prediction. First is birds fly. यहाँ the sentence is still only of two words, but it do makes a sense. The girl seems nice. Now this sentence have a verb. After verb it has a word nice. Thus it is transitive verb. Next are the exercises. Number 1 is I'll just give you example of 1 and 2. Number 1 is she became a doctor. You can use any word that makes a sense. We can also write she became a teacher or anything else. The police arrested the thief. My elder brother went to Amritsar. Next is you have to underline the verbs and mention if the sentence is transitive or intransitive. Number 1 is many students are learning Spanish. Are learning is verb, object is Spanish, and it is transitive verb as there is object after verb. Next is the boat sank rapidly. Rapidly is not any object, it is adjective. Thus it is of form intransitive and no object is used after the verb. There are other few examples. You need to do it by yourself. Next is we need to find verbs of incomplete prediction, and also we have to give the complement on given line. Firstly, Archana became a nurse. Became is a verb and uska complement kya hai? Complement you can say as what the words are added after it is a nurse. It is a complement. It is not object but a complement. He seems relaxed. Seems is a word and relaxed is complement. She appears innocent. Appears is verb. Innocent is complement. Thank you.